Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get to your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. hmm Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, get rid of it. As you can see, we're in a different location. I didn't feel like going to the desk, so I said, you know what? Let's go ahead and handle it right here and right now. Happy New Whoa, I was about to say Happy New Year. Lord, I'm in the future. Happy holidays for those that celebrate Christmas and the upcoming New Year. Energy is always fluid. It could be masculine, feminine energy. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. Why I just heard the songs Dreaming. I'm dedicating my flower for a couple of hours for a beautiful day. I don't even know if that's the word. Dreaming. I did it. Okay, so the card that came out that's anchoring y'all reading is Secret Stalker. Lurking in secret. Someone is secretly crazy about you. Fake social media accounts. Unhealthy obsession. So you have somebody just stalking you, watching, lurking in the shadows. They can't get enough of you. It's like you like they have fix or something. It's like somebody is addicted to you, obsessed with you. Okay? They secretly crazy about you. You got to be definitely be a big deal if you have somebody creating fake social media accounts just so they can get a hit. Like you a drug or something like that. It says unhealthy obsession, and whoever this person is wearing a mask. Clarify secret stalker. This could be somebody that's currently in your energy, and you never know because this person is wearing a mask. I'm seeing that there's an energy of some sort of divine intervention is definitely at play or getting ready to happen. It looked like it's definitely faded. Mm. Something is getting ready to happen here, y'all. I'm seeing that there is some sort of divine intervention that's getting ready to happen for whoever this person is. Spirit might reveal whoever this person is, and it's definitely being faded. Let's say I'm also feeling like whoever this person is, if they possibly have put like sent any negative energy or evil eye to something that you are doing or that they see that you're doing, um, from them lurking in secret, it look like, the spirit is creating some sort of detour to your plans or to your um yeah, your plans, your endeavors, your journey. Even thoughts, because some of you guys may have even like shared thoughts with whoever this person is, or shared secrets, even. Yeah, you might have shared some sort of plans or shared some sort of dreams with whoever this person is. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify divine intervention, please, for the secret stalker. Clarify divine intervention for the secret stalker. What is it that we need to know, please, spirit? Secret stalker, divine intervention. What's going on with the secret stalker, divine intervention? Okay. Wow. Look what came out, you guys. Evil eye. At the bottom of the deck, I am showing family. This could be someone that you have a family with, or this could be your family members, like your husband, your wife, your mother, your father type of energy. Number 21 could be significant. That's what I'm seeing here. Is definitely a family member or someone, yep, a family member or someone that you could even call family. It could be like a friend or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing like whoever you are, you're in this energy of high honor. It seems like you have some sort of um it's like an energy of you having some sort of I don't know if you have some sort of following or you have some sort of clout. I don't know what it is that you have, but I'm definitely seeing it doesn't even have to be physically. It could be in the spirit. They could just simply see the anointings on you, the light on you, the growth on you. You get what I'm saying? The divinity on you with this high honor energy number 25, and it looks like there's an energy of these people sending you evil eye. All right, which I've already felt that from looking at this secret stalker, this lurking energy, these people creating fake accounts and things like that. um it seems like they are, evil eyeing the things that you are pursuing, the endeavors that you have. And it looked like there's an energy of them evil eyeing is because there's an energy of confusion. All right. I feel like these people are confused as to how you're able to do what you are doing, is what I'm seeing here. And I feel like a lot of them living with this mask and as some sort of illusion of their own to make it seem like the things that they're doing and the way that they're living, or possibly what they have is more than what you have. Okay. Is what I'm seeing here. I wanted to look at the bottom bottom of the deck and I'm seeing wanting to reconcile. So I'm seeing this may be someone that you may have had a falling out with or having a falling out with or something like that. Um, or something, because it's like an energy of people wanting to get back into your energy. So not only is this person, like I stated, could be in your energy, this could be people again that's outside of your energy that you have severed ties with. So let's go ahead and clarify this high honor energy. Let's see what the heck is going on, because divine intervention is definitely at play here in regards to this situation for whoever I'm speaking about. Clarify this high honor, please, Spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. What is it that we need to know? Okay, so the first card that came out is the Four of Cups, which lets me know that there's an energy of someone in regret. Okay, there's an energy of regret and them trying to extend some sort of offer to you. Again, possibly some sort of apology, in some sort of for some form of fashion. And I see you guys refusing this person's offer and this being a missed opportunity. Okay, I'm seeing that you have broken through some sort of illusion. This talking about a disillusion from some sort of illusion. You get what I'm saying? You being able to see things exactly for what they are, and you coming out as the high priestess or high priest. Whoever you are, you're very intuitive. It's like an energy of you having an inner knowing, a strong inner knowing. Okay, I'm seeing you trusting in yourself. All right, I'm seeing you receiving spiritual insight. Okay, very emotionally stable. All right, you are revealed things that are not yet ready to be revealed. If that's what I'm trying to see here, things to be revealed that is not ready to be revealed, or things that they don't expect to be revealed or not wanting you to see. And it looks like there's an energy of conflict here. Clarify this high honor. Like I stated, there's an energy of regret. You refusing an offer. You seeing someone exactly or people exactly for who they are, and it like it's an energy of from you rejecting them. And it like it caused some sort of conflict. They want to argue. They want to fight. They want to come up against you and make it seem like there's some drama, some problems, some issues where there is not. When the problem is what they have for you. Clarify this evil eye. They are operating out of this double energy, and there's an energy of obsession, deception, depression, even some sort of mental health issues. These people have dealing with addictions. Not only are they addicted to you, obsessed with you, is other things that they are battling and dealing with that they have to heal. All right, and exactly why Spirit got these people out of your energy and revealed them to you. Clarify this evil eye. All right. Clarifying the evil eye is you guys escaping some sort of ruin, okay? Ruin is what I'm seeing here. There's an energy of you, even if you did go through or experience something that may have like some sort of betrayal, some sort of deceit, some sort of backstabbing. It seems like you pulled yourself together and it's like you learned from those past mistakes or the hardship that you have went through. Okay? I feel like these people are giving you the evil eye because their fear is coming true, especially in regards to you coming back stronger. They thought whatever they did was going to stop and hinder you. All right. But if anything, I'm seeing with this evil eye, I'm seeing that you're receiving some sort of new financial beginning. There's an energy of prosperity here. I'm seeing that you guys are having some sort of new beginnings. Okay. New financial opportunities, new jobs, new beginnings, new business, new money. I see you guys moving forward. All right. I'm seeing that you are forward planning. All right. There's energy of self confidence, self belief. There's energy of freedom, success, happiness, especially in regards to the choices that you made and the outcome that you're experiencing. It seems like you guys have gone through soul searching. All right. You guys have done the work. They're evil eyeing you, and you've done the work because whatever they're trying to send to you is not working. It's not affecting you in any form or fashion. All right. It seems like you've went through the process of searching for deeper truths, especially in regards to not only your life, but the things that are happening around you. You're actually in the current flow of universe. You're in the current, like I was going to say, the current flow of universal flow. Like it's like an energy of patience and virtue. Okay. And clarifying the evil eye I'm seeing is the moon in secret, which flows directly to secret stalker. They're giving you the evil eye in secret. They're creating some sort of illusion. That's why it make me feel like it could be somebody that's currently in your energy. And this could be also some people that you have cut off. All right. They like they are experiencing some sort of instability in their life. There's energy of deception here. There's energy of anxiety. There's energy of fear. Okay? The way that they are carrying things is due to their past conditionings of things that have happened in their lives, okay? Clarify this confusion and illusion. Number 58 can be significant. It look like there's an energy of a cloud over someone here. All right. I don't see any type of sunlight. I don't see any type of happiness here. Clarify this confusion and illusion. It looks like this person Tower moment, clarify confusion and illusion. Is there some sort of tower moment? There's an energy of some sort of destruction, something happening unexpectedly, unexpected changes. All right? Clarify confusion and illusion. All right? Confusion and illusion. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing an unexpected change. Okay? Yeah, this person, ooh, they're definitely confused because unexpectedly there's energy of they're with them watching, they see that there's an energy of positivity and freedom. I'm seeing you guys are actually in this energy of success and joy and confidence. It's like you are in your own self-expression. There's energy of good luck around you, and I'm speaking to an empress energy. Okay. I'm definitely speaking to an empress energy. Whoever you are, you don't necessarily have to be pregnant with a baby, but you could be pregnant with ideas or plans or, things like that, which could be the baby that you are bringing into reality. The number three can be significant as well. Ooh, we got the 10 of Pentacles out here, you guys. Ooh, I'm seeing the unexpected finances. I'm seeing you guys receiving a windfall, a large lump sum of money. I'm seeing deeds, trust funds, inheritance. This is generational wealth. We got the 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups energy out here, and this person is sitting here with this cloud over their eyes, just looking and just disbelief and confused, like what the freak is going on? Whatever illusions or evil eye I sent to stop them, it did not work, and I'm trying to understand how the fuck they do it. How the fuck they doing it? And if this is a family member, guarantee this is. I feel like this is someone that may have known you since a child, and I feel like they've been attacking you or coming up against you since you was a child, and nothing that they did work. I feel like they didn't work alone. They may have worked with other people, other things, other entities, and things like that. That did not work. Okay? You are a divine being, divine masculine, divine feminine energy. You have this angelic energy about you, and you're moving on. You're moving on. There's an energy of victory. There's energy of having the advantage. There's energy of you guys triumphing. Okay? And you letting go of the people of the past. Okay? This is talking about you letting go of the past, focusing on the future. There's an energy of maturing. I'm seeing you guys leaving home, leaving the state, leaving the country, things like that. All right. Because I'm showing that there's an energy of unhappiness here, unhappy family. I'm seeing they were creating a lot of blockages. All right. I'm seeing an energy of them creating rumors. All right. I'm seeing narrow mindedness and narrow minded energy that were disapproving um, things that you wanted to do that made you happy. Somebody was always pessimistic about something, an idea, or things that you were saying, things that you were doing. And I'm saying this is an energy of you leaving that behind for the Nine of Cups, an energy of joy, energy of happiness, you know, an energy of joy, happiness, fulfillment, positivity. All right. I'm saying that there was disharmony. There was an imbalance. They created some sort of imbalance. I'm saying you were being unhappy, even in relationships or in a family setting or situation. I feel like there was a lot of delays. You were wondering like why things weren't operating in your favor. You were wondering why you were struggling mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially. It was the people, it was the energy you kept, the company you kept. And someone had to see the truth. I'm also seeing an energy of lies being exposed. Anything else for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? All right, we have the Queen of Swords out here. Aquarius energy could very much be significant, masculine or feminine energy. All right. I'm also seeing a fire sign out here, Leo, with this Queen of Wands energy, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle and ending of a contract. Something that has been hidden is getting ready to be revealed, especially the secret stalker, especially a secret stalker. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.